How's it going, everybody? We have a beautiful finished basement here. We did a golf simulator, kids room, kids playhouse, office, bar, and a huge open area. Wait till you come see everything.
So the first thing you notice is this open stairs right here. We had walls here when we started. In fact, this was a fully finished basement that we demoed, but now we use this area as a little open recreational gym area.
Yeah, and throughout this basement, you're gonna see a lot of hidden doors. We have a nice hidden door right under the stairs right here, and there's also a lot more throughout when we walk through. As you come through here, you have a beautiful office, glass French doors, LED lighting with tray ceilings around this whole entire room.
It's something to note here too, this room is actually soundproof because he likes to come in here, it's his office, but he likes to jam out. It doesn't want to wake up the kids. So we use SAB, I think, here.
Yes, SAB
Quiet Rock.
insulation.
And really cool too, we set the mood here with the crown molding and the LED. But we're just getting started here. This basement has so much more to offer. And as you come back out here,
as you walk through here, you see how big this basement is. We created a beautiful wet bar over here with a nice island so they can have seating all the way around. And we also have more hidden doors here as well. Like right here, hidden doors so they could have more storage under these islands. And then also a nice pantry right here with the hidden door.
Yeah, so there's also, these cabinets are all custom made. The island, everything was really handcrafted. None of this is store bought. And our design and layout as well.
Yes.
So big area, and I like that it's centrally located. And what you see here, this TV is doubling. You're actually seeing the golf simulator. If somebody's in there playing, you can see what's going on in the screen here as well.
We got this whole open area for entertainment. We created a pool table here, and then behind that we have a kids playhouse. This is a custom kids playhouse. We have full height in here as well with a bunk bed. Underneath, we have more of the kids' toys, and then we have another hidden door here as well where the garage would be in this kids' playhouse. There's that door.
Yeah, now a couple things I want to point out right here. When we started in this basement, there was ductwork right about where my hand is right now. We got rid of that, we moved it to the side. Not only did we do that, but right here there was a wall, and in that wall were two columns, one here and one here. We removed both of those columns to make this a big, wide open space.
Yes.
It didn't come this way.
Yeah, it felt very small, and the ceilings were very low as well.
So we're gonna save that golf sim room right there for last, but we also have over here a bathroom. We have a full bath.
Full bathroom.
Really
Beautiful.
cool bathroom.
Beautiful full bathroom, custom vanity, nice custom shower door, and also all custom tile on the ceiling as well.
So there's a lot going on in this basement. We have the office, we have the gym, obviously this beautiful kitchenette, entertainment area. We even have this really cool kids playhouse, but the icing on the cake is right here. Check out this golf simulator. This is how it's done right here. And to pull something like this off, we need a special team. That's why we have with us right now, we have Zach and the guys from iTech, and we have Jeff from Golf Pro. So this couldn't be done single-handedly. We need a team like this. So take it away, guys.
Yeah, thanks, Pat. Yeah, guys, so we have a really cool setup down here. It's part golf sim, part home theater. So the family loves to watch movies down here, and when the kids go to bed, the homeowner will end up playing a round of golf. We have a 5.2.2 setup, so we have 5 surround speakers, we have 2 in-ceiling speakers, and we have 2 subwoofers to make a really intense sound down here for both movie watching and golf.
The client wanted a lot of automation in this setup. So with the golf simulator as well as the movie theater, we did some custom buttons over there so that when you come down into the theater, what it'll do is it'll choose your source to be the golf simulator as well as your movie watching for Apple TV, as well as he is a gamer, so Xbox and PlayStation. Along with that automation, it turns on both of these TVs, one to watch some sports and the other one for your diagnostics for your golf simulator. It really came out awesome, and as the project went along, what he ended up doing was adding a little bit more and a little bit more, so it really made a great space.
All right, guys, thank you so much. You did a great job here. I really appreciate everything. I know there's a lot that goes into this, but where these guys end, these guys take over. So Jeff, why don't you walk us through and show us where you come in and the technology behind what you did and how you did it here.
Definitely. Well, the key is making sure you pick the right kind of room and plan out enough space, because most people don't realize, the golf club is so much longer than your arm. So you need a lot of room. So a space like this came out perfectly. We got a lot of width, we got a lot of height, and enough length for seating. That's really the key. But there's some awesome tech in here. This launch monitor is Unicore, and if you're someone who likes data at a really good price point, this is a great system for you. Over here, you can get all your different kind of analytics. There's a bunch of different screens. My man Pat put in a really cool hidden door. It's really good at doing stuff
we
like
love
that.
them.
Oh yeah. But if you want to see a lot of different types of data, you know, you're going to get over 25 different data points. You can even see live video of your swing, and you get thousands of frames per second on those shots, so you know it's accurate. Oh, and the last thing too, right behind you, if you didn't recognize, this is one of the world's most famous golf courses in the world. I'll leave that as a secret for the reveal for the swing, but it's really, really cool what you can do on here.
Yeah, so where we come together is we're putting together the design, where this room's gonna go, how it's gonna get set up, with the parameters that these guys require. In this case, this customer didn't have the ceiling height, so we actually dug this basement out. We got some really cool pictures. The ground, believe it or not, was about right here when we moved into this basement, and there was actually a column here as well. So we took out 2 columns, dug the basement out. So there's a lot that goes into something like this. Granted, some people could have the ceiling height. What would you say would be the minimum ceiling height you would require without a dig out?
I'd say 9.6 is minimum,
Okay.
but you really want to get closer to 10.5 or even 11.
Which
That's
in most
ideal.
basements is going to require a little bit of a dig out,
Yeah,
depending on
for
how
sure.
new it is. But this is fantastic, man. I can't thank you enough. You guys are just incredible.
Pat.
And I love working with you guys.
Likewise, man. You
Thank
guys
you.
smash it. Thank
Thanks
you,
so
brother.
much.
Awesome.
All right, guys, so I just want to thank the A-team behind me. This could not happen without them, and I truly mean that. I'm not kidding you. It takes a full team effort, but here we go. Now listen, I just want to preempt this by saying I am not a golfer, I'm a wrestler, so this is not my place, but I'm about to play one of the most famous holes in the country here, and let's see how I do. I'm not even going to take a practice swing. Hopefully I'll make contact. Well, there you go. That's the best I got.